welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you how to copy a game on Roblox. For that, open any browser you have in your device and on the searching bar, search for Roblox. Now, on the top searching bar, search for On Copy Locked. Now, these are all the games that you can copy easily. Choose any one of them. Go through the description very carefully, and once you select this game on the top, you will see three lines or three dots. Simply hit on that. From there, select Edit in Studio. Now, if you have not downloaded Roblox Studio, download from here and then you are good to go to copy the game. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.